guys, buenos dias from Mexico City. I am now back here after spending several days in Guanajuato. I spent one day in Guanajuato experiencing the Day of the Dead festival there because the festival was celebrated over 2 days. Now, I'm definitely not an expert on what this festival is all about, which is why I booked a tour for the second day here in Mexico City. So I'm going to show you guys what it's like here in order to experience the Day of the Dead. I can't wait.
Cuando el reloj marca las 7, las calaveras comen un filete. Chumbalaca, chumbalaca, chumbala, chumbalaca, chumbalaca, chumbala. Ay de mí, llorona, 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 tú eres mi llorona.
Great, so we are almost on our way to the cemetery, and on the way there, there's all kinds of places where you can buy, oh no, gracias, you can buy food, and you can buy flowers to lay on the graves, and yeah, just everyone's in a festive mood to celebrate their loved ones that have died. And here we're going into the cemetery right now.
Amazing, and that way you can allow someone to come back to this world.
Okay, so which tombs in here, or?
If you keep walk around here, if you find one forgotten tomb, it will be a nice gesture, right?
Oh, so if it's a tomb's not occupied, I can go ahead and put flowers
yes,
in there.
in respect to them, right?
Okay.
Also, if you want to dedicate that to someone,
Okay.
feel free to do it. We have some flowers if you want to.
Alright guys, so I have flowers and I'm supposed to go find an unoccupied tomb where I can lay these flowers to rest. Sometimes family members cannot visit their family's graves and at the cemetery on this festival day. So my goal is to go find somewhere where I can lay these flowers to rest. Grave back here with no flowers, so I'm going to lay these to rest here on this empty grave in the very back of the cemetery. There, now whoever this is has nice flowers on their grave.
Aquí vemos una extranjera comiendo chile.
¿Te gustó?
Sí.
Muy picante.
No problemo.
Oh my god. She's more chili than I do.
Gracias.
Pretty woman.
Getting my face painted. my face painted. Friggin' awesome. And it cost 50 pesos. 50 pesos. That's it. So this is such an awesome experience. Highly recommend coming here to Mexico during this time. And this day is only halfway through so far. So now we're in a new part of Mexico City, one that really comes alive in the evening for this Day of the Dead festival, and it's really crowded. Hola, buenas noches.
Hello.
So there's food and drink everywhere. Everyone's in such a festive mood. So many people are getting their faces painted. This is just incredible. Alright guys, check out these giant statues.
Pruébalo, señorita. Jugo de arándano con mezcal.
¿Qué es mezcal? ¿Qué es mezcal?
Mezcal es bebida con alcohol típica de Oaxaca.
Oh,
del estado de
Oaxaca. Okay, so let's give it a try.
¿Qué tal sabe?
Bueno.
Pruebe mojito. Igual con mezcal de Oaxaca, hierbabuena y menta. Ese está más rico, es más fresco.
Yeah, this is very good too. It tastes like mint, yeah. Mento.
Menta.
Menta.
Menta y hierbabuena.
Okay, I can't say the rest, but if anyone has heard me speaking on here, my Spanish is very basic. I've never had this before. Muy bien. Alright guys, I'm going in here for pina colada. Not for that. Woo! Should I get...
Sex on the beach.
Alright guys, so I'm getting this fancy pina colada. This guy talked me into getting this drink here. Look at this fun drink he's making for me. It's time to party it up in Mexico City.
Claro.
Gracias. Alright, I'm had the best time today celebrating the Day of the Dead in Mexico City. I booked this tour with Mexico Walking Tour. You can look them up on Instagram or online or on Facebook. This was not a sponsored tour. I just really enjoyed my time with them, and I'm pretty sure I'm doing this again next year, but I'm gonna bring back my mom and whomever else wants to come with me. So anyways, definitely what an amazing experience. I love the way that people in Mexico celebrate their deceased loved ones. They celebrate their life, and I think that's the way that that things should be. So anyways, it's time for me to head back to the bus and head back to the city center and get some sleep. I'm pretty tired after running around all day and having such a great day. Adios.